And we are in front of the clever Aventuro 600 for the 2025 edition, getting straight to the actual price, that actual main selling point, 108,980 euros. That's actually the cheapest Mercedes 4x4 that you can get with a campervan setup. And well, we are entering inside because we have a special feature. This is only meant for 3 people, and I didn't see any 4 sitting options on this van, or neither the pop-up roof. So you are actually set up for 3 people. And on front we have the Dometic fridge, step, and on the other part we have some Delta wheels with the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. It's pretty standard for this design. And if we enter in, we are getting the standard Mercedes-Benz 4x4 edition complete setup, sitting area, and a pretty tall actual standing point. Okay, and from this part we are looking at a pretty great designed bathroom and wide bed with 6 cabinets all around, and a lot of cabinets on the lower part, just like here. Dometic 2-burner stove with sink, and we shall be exiting the van to check the back side and understand how this will work with 3 people inside. We have on the lower part a pretty deep, long actual space for 1.379, and on the widest part we are 0.9. Looking at these cutouts, the actual sporging unit, to get more space while sleeping, we are looking at pretty wide bed for about 1.4 at the widest part. And then we are looking at the cutout and slide out. We are looking at more than 2 meters of space. So yeah, this is perfect. If you are slightly longer, you will be having a lot more space for your legs, because you have this slide out. Well, we have the slide out sign, and then this is actually pretty comfy for sleep 2 people. Getting around again to finish off this clever Aventuro 600.